How to uninstall games or apps in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let me tell you that there are basically two ways to uninstall the games or apps in Android. So first thing first, you can just go to the Play Store app and select any of the application. Now for example, if I'm going to show you this Google Classroom over here. Now if you want to uninstall this application, all you have to do is just tap on the application and tap on uninstall option over here. Next, what you can do is just go back to the home screen and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you just have to scroll down to apps and tap on manage apps. And as you tap on manage apps, you just have to select the app that you want to delete or uninstall. So just tap on the application over here. Now just wait until it loads, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. So let's just go and search for Google Classroom over here. Now just tap on the application and here you'll be able to see the option of uninstall. Just tap on that and it will be uninstalled from Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.